Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Chevrolet Camaro. Begin by lightly sketching a rectangular chassis outline, which forms the foundation of your drawing. Next, define the main body lines, focusing on the sleek roof and aggressive hood contours. Don't forget to establish the circular wheel wells and the car's ground clearance, ensuring proper proportions from the start. This initial framework is crucial for a balanced and accurate representation. Now let's refine the details. Carefully draw the circular wheels, paying attention to their size relative to the body, and add subtle tire treads for realism. Next, sketch the side windows and the prominent windshield, capturing the Camaro's distinctive glass shape. Don't forget to define the door lines and the sleek side mirrors, which contribute significantly to the car's overall profile. These elements bring your drawing to life. Moving to the front and rear, it's time for those signature Camaro features. Begin by sketching the iconic front grille and the sharp, narrow headlights that give the car its aggressive gaze. Then, move to the back, adding the distinctive rear taillights and the sporty spoiler. Finally, include smaller accents like the exhaust pipes and any other unique details that make the Camaro instantly recognizable. These elements truly capture its essence. For the final touches, apply shading to create depth and realism, paying attention to light sources and shadows on the body panels. Carefully erase any visible construction lines and refine all the edges for a clean, polished look. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment with different angles and perspectives. Also, check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.